Right elbow. Touch.
Namaste, my name is Som, I'm from Bhutan. So coming to the point of expectation, I was expecting, to learn yoga in so I have learned yoga, asanas, and then lots of things. So which will which is very helpful for my career. So yeah, thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste, good morning. I'm Idukki. I'm from Thiruvananthapuram. Right now I'm completed my 200 yoga training teachers program. Today is March 1st and received the certification from Yoga Alliance USA from Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary. Overall, actually, these days, 28 days, I have lots of improvement I get from here, lots of improvement, even my mind concentration and personality development asanas. I learn lots of asanas and pranayamas, lots of asanas I learn from here, and it's good for our health. Yeah, in the modern life, everyone use yoga because everyone want to more health in our body. So everyone must learn about yoga. Yoga gives lots of mentally and physically relaxation. Before I came here, I searched in Google and find lots of yoga alliance user certification. They are using lots of money more than here. But here is we can get less yoga centers, and this is Amodagiri is best they are conducting, and we can. That's
Okay.
and this is for the youngsters. Please use this opportunity for you for the yoga. If you want to learn yoga, you should come Amodagiri Yoga Center because first you came here. You should know about Amodagiri Yoga Center. Everyone, please use. Okay, thank you.